Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are considering the Lenovo Legion R24e gaming monitor, don't buy it until you watch this review. Today we are breaking down its real gaming performance, the display quality, the features and the limitations so that you can decide if it is actually worth your money. If you want to check the latest pricing, you can find the link of it in the description box below. First of all, let's talk about what matters the most, which is speed. So Lenovo Legion R24e comes with a blazing fast 180 Hz of the refresh rate, which is paired with 2.5 ms response time. At this price point, that's extremely competitive. Fast shooters, esports titles, and high frame rate gameplay feel smooth, responsive, and sharp. Now, this is a 23.8-inch IPS panel with full HD resolution. It's clearly designed for the competitive gamers who prioritizes the performance over the ultra high resolution. If your goal is higher frame rates rather than the pixel density, this monitor is built for that. Then we have the color performance. The color performance is stronger than you might expect from a budget gaming monitor. It offers you the 99% sRGB coverage with true 8-bit color depth, delivering over 16 million colors. That means vibrant visuals, not just for gaming, but for the light content creation and everyday use. The nearest edge glass design is going to give it a clean modern look and also maximizes the screen space, especially if you are planning a dual monitor setup. Lenovo also includes the iComfort 2.0 certification, which is going to help reduce the blue light exposure without distorting the colors. Now, if I talk about the adaptive sync, so the monitor is going to support the AMD FreeSync, which reduces the screen tearing and stuttering when it is pairing with the compatible GPUs. So here, if I talk about its limitations, so first it's still 1080p resolution on a 23.8-inch display. The pixel density is acceptable, but if you are used to 1440p or 4K monitors, you will notice the difference. So the question here is, should you actually buy this monitor? So if you are a competitive gamer who wants maximum speed, smooth motion and low input lag on a budget, then the Lenovo Legion R24e is a strong choice. It focuses exactly where it should, which is performance. So if you want higher resolution, HDR or a more premium multimedia experience, you will need to spend more. So if you want to check its current pricing, you will find its link in the description box below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.